Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to our next Flametech video tutorial. Now, guys, for this episode, I'm going to show you how to connect a microphone to what is called a powered speaker box. So this is a powered speaker box. Now, what this means in terms of a powered speaker box is, or if you want to say active, is simply because this speaker, it actually comes with its own built-in amplifier, and definitely in terms of you using this box, you don't need to go to the electronics store and purchase a separate amplifier. So guys, in terms of you connecting a microphone to this amplifier, is that when I look at the back there are two labelings that say mic in 1 and mic in 2. So as you can see, these are XLR connectors. So you just simply need to get XLR cable. So we'll have plug one end into the microphone there, and the other end there, which is the male end. I'm gonna put it in 1 or number 2. So let's use number 1. As you can see, the microphone comes with its individual volume. So I'm going to turn the volume down, and the master volume of the power box, gonna turn it down. Let's power up mic the monitor box. You can see it light up there. My microphone is on, so let's turn the microphone volume up a bit, and then the master volume for the box up a bit. Let's see if it's work. Check. Audio check. 1 2. Testing 1 2. Right, guys, so definitely works. So again, this is how you actually connect a microphone to a powered, or if you want to say active, speaker box. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.